Hi, Amanda. What you doing? Aww. Were you playing? Are you playing? Mommy put that up today because it caught your eye. Now you're playing, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, do you like the playthings? Oh, do they catch your eye? Good girl. Yeah, do they make funny sounds? Yeah, that's what Auntie Grace got you. Yeah. Good girl. It says 6 months and up and you're only 2 months. Yeah. You've been playing away in here for a while. Mommy's worried now that you might be overstimulated. Yeah. We have to meet Daddy for lunch. Good girl though. Mommy's really pleased. We'll show Auntie Grace this too, eh? How you're playing so well. See y'all later. Bye-bye.